Hey guys, Drew here with Colton RV and Marine, and we're going to be having an end of season sales event October 17th through the 19th where we have a lot of great products like this Outback 328RL. I'm going to be showing you guys it today. We're going to go around the front first. So you do start with this pass-through storage, and I do want to point out, look how thick this door is. This is a solid door. It has full of insulation in it, and then when we go to put it up, a magnet holds it up. You don't have to worry about the little clips that break off. Plenty of room in there for chairs and canopies. Also down on your right, you're gonna see the solar charge controller. This does have 220 watts of solar built right onto the roof. It's also inverter prepped, so if you wanted to add that, you're more than welcome to. Moving to the front here, this is the Outback Premium, so you do get this super nice front cap where you see the Outback Premium, you get LED strips across the top and the bottom. Along with the Premium package, you're gonna get an auto leveling system, which is crazy to see in a travel trailer. So this is the BAL auto leveling system. It's controlled right up here from the front. It's gonna control the front one, also along with your back four. Keep it nice and level for you. Behind the auto leveling system here is gonna be your propane tanks. Get this cover off. You're gonna see the two 30-pound propane tanks. There's a little switch here so you can switch in between the right one and the left one. So if you run out of one, still got the other one. And then behind that, it's gonna sit the battery. Battery sits in this case. There's enough room if you wanted to add a second battery on there as well. And your battery disconnect switch is here, which will cut power to the whole camper. On the back side here, you're gonna have your hot water tank. This is a tankless hot water tank, so you're gonna be able to take long showers. You're not gonna run out. The bed slide here, this is the slide in the bedroom. So if we open this up, those magnets again hold it up, and you can see our power cables in there along with your outdoor hose. Nice big storage. Coming past the slide, you're gonna have this door here. This is your access panel for all your water stuff. So if we turn the key here and open it up, you can see it's all enclosed in there, super nice, and there's a grommet so that you can bring the hoses up through and keep that door closed. Down below that is one of your dump tanks. This has got your gray and your black dump on there. Now, you do have a second gray tank on here, so that one's gonna dump out right next to it. And then coming past the super exciting slide, we get the back. The back is super exciting. You have your ladder, so you can go up on the roof. You have your back bumper where you can store your stinky slinky. Then you're also backup cam ready up there, so if you wanted to add a backup cam down the line, it's already all prepped for it, all the wiring's there. Then we're gonna head back over to the front. Okay, now that we're on the front side, you can see it does have a slide on your campsite, but they do put the awning right here on the slide, so you can still use all this camp space. And there's actually two really nice LEDs on either side of the awning over here. So you can see one on that side, and then there's one gonna be up this way. Moving towards the front door, we do have a second awning over here. So this is gonna keep your camp space nice and shaded. You're not gonna be the sun beating down on you. You do get a couple outdoor speakers up top there. And then this super nice glass door. This thing looks really slick. It's a real eye catcher. And then your solid steps, so you don't have to worry about them not being on the ground. Let's take a look inside. Okay guys, now that we're on the inside here, take a look around at the color scheme. This is a really nice color scheme for inside of here. The furniture, I wish you guys could be here to feel it yourself, is a super plush material. It's super easy to sit down on and relax. This couch specifically is a fold-out couch, so if you have that extra person sleeping with you, it's super simple. You just take these cushions off. And then we're gonna pick up right here. You guys can see these feet. Feet come out. Then we're gonna lift this up, set it down, then pull the back down. And you could always put those cushions back on there just to have a little bit of a head space on there. Folding it up, super simple too. Just do everything in reverse. Kind of have to scissor fold this a little bit. Pull your feet in, set it down, grab our cushions. And just like that, we're ready to relax on the couch again. So over here next to me, they have these side tables here, and there is a little pop-up so that you can keep your phone charged. There's USB-C in there, regular USB, and then regular plugs. Then they drop back down. Coming over to the entertainment area, you have your TV. This is on a TV lift, so if we hold this button, it goes down and away. And what I really like what Keystone does here is when this TV's down, you actually have a flush space here. So you can actually set stuff on here and it's not gonna fall over. Get another little charging port back here. If you wanna put the coffee maker there, if you got extra kids' tablets or something like that. So you do have your Bluetooth radio here. We have outdoor speakers, we have indoor speakers, and then your super nice fireplace here that is an electric furnace. So it will pump out some heat if you don't wanna use your full furnace with your propane. So in here you guys will see, I do have a little bit of extra headroom in here. If you guys look up at the ceiling, you have a barreled ceiling. Creates a lot more space in here, feels more open, and especially for taller guys like me, I'm 6'1", makes me feel more comfortable in this camper with it just being a travel trailer, not a fifth wheel. The kitchen area over here is really nice. You have this nice island with this stainless steel sink, pull down faucet, and then over on this side you have your 3-burner cooktop with the shield to go over it so that you can even use it as more counter space. This one does still have an oven to it, pretty decent size oven too. Drawer for your pots and pans, and then plenty of cupboard space up top for your plates, your snacks, everything that you would want to take with you camping. Your fridge is a Furrion 12-volt fridge. So you can see the lights are on in it, all nice. This is a 12-volt fridge, so it's going to run off the battery. And the battery is going to be charged by the solar power that is on the roof. Over to this side, you have your microwave, which has got its own little nice area over here. And there's even a paper towel holder in here, so you don't have to worry about where you're going to store the paper towels. Pantry space, and then more cupboards with this super nice glass front to them. On this side, you do have a freestanding dinette. So this one does not break down into a bed. This is just a regular dinette with some regular chairs. You can kind of see the straps on the floor that are going to hold those chairs in while you're taking it down the road so you don't end up with a chair in your bedroom. And then same material as the couch. These recliners are super nice. They're just manual recliners. Pull a little tab here. We can relax. Pull the TV up. Now moving back towards the bedroom. We have all your fancy controls. So you have your analog panel to pull all the slides in and out, your awnings in and out. Along with your tank gauges are going to be up here, so your fresh water, your blacks. Above that is your water heater control. So this controls the temperature of the water heater. And then this is the AC control for the AC in the living room. Bathroom in here is super nice and spacious with an actual porcelain toilet in it. Pretty good size shower, skylight in there. If you come with me back towards the bedroom here, you do have a pocket door so we could close you guys off if we wanted to. King size bed, so nice massive bed with underbed storage to it. If we lift that up, fit tons of things in there. Cupboards above the bed, and you do have a cupboard on the one side of the bed. And up top you can see another AC control. So this does have 2 ACs. So this AC is going to run off that control, keep your bedroom nice and cool. Then you have huge closet in here. You can hang all sorts of stuff. And then in this one behind me, if we pop this open, could be a decent closet, but you're also prepped in there if you wanted to do a washer and dryer combo. It would fit in there, and you got your hookups right here to the side. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the Keystone Outback 328RL with me. If you guys have any questions, come and visit us at Colton RV Marine in North Tonawanda, or call me directly at 716-694-0188, extension 469. Thanks guys.